I'd like to welcome the Prime Minister, our distinguished guest, Shehbaz Sharif. Thank you very much, sir, for coming.
Thank you very much, Mr. Ikram Sehgal, host of this wonderful gathering of Pakistani entrepreneurs and international dignitaries and illustrious businessmen and women. Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan, Ishaq Dar, Finance Minister, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum to all of you. It's really a great honor and a pleasure to be here, and I'm very grateful to Mr. Ikram Sehgal. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is now moving forward with a sense of achievement and a sense of purpose. Our macroeconomic indicators are pretty reassuring. Our inflation rate is down from 30% to 5.5%. Our policy rate has come down from a steep 22.5% to 10.5%. Our IT exports reassuring progress. Our exports collectively do face different kind of challenges. And of course, our social indicators need to be improved through continuous joint efforts. But the way forward is very clear, that Pakistan has to have an export-led growth. We have brought in fundamental structural changes in our system. And I would share with you a few important milestones. We have brought in fundamental changes in our revenue collection system, and it is now being completely digitized. And our tax collection to our GDP ratio is 10.5% today, which was 9% a couple of years ago. This is a significant achievement. Secondly, our agri export last year have been very reassuring. We are now into mines and minerals business in a big way. We have signed agreements, MOUs with American companies and Chinese companies. And Pakistan has been blessed by Allah Almighty with infinite natural resources, still buried in the heap of mountains in north of Pakistan, Gilgit-Baltistan, Azad Kashmir, the province of KP and Balochistan. But we have now decided to go forward at lightning speed. And we are also moving speedily in the field of crypto, AI, IT. And our IT exports have shown remarkable progress in the last few years. In that, we brought a lot of instruments which have facilitated IT exports, which stand at $3 billion annually officially. And our youth bulge is a challenge as well as a great opportunity. Therefore, Government of Pakistan, along with provincial governments, have come forward with many programs to empower our youth through vocational training. NEFTA is an entity at the federal level providing modern training to our youth, and those training programs are duly vetted by third-party audits, and combined with that is international certification. and as a result, our youth getting ready, productive employments in Gulf states and other parts of the world because they are highly qualified and highly trained, as I said, certified by international companies in this field. With China, we have strong economic connections, and now we have built relations with the United States. And as I said earlier on, in the field of mines and minerals, there is great hope that we are going to cooperate with each other in a big way. In counter-terrorism, we are going to cooperate with each other in a big way. In IT, in AI. So I think Pakistan is at a point of time where we are going to take off rapidly in agriculture, in industry, in mining industry, AI and IT. And I think our future is very promising. I have no doubt about it. Couple of more things which should be soothing to your ears, those who believe in Pakistan's strength, that this government is moving forward with complete transparency. For example, we just had privatization of Pakistan International Airlines, which is a national asset. Unfortunately, in the last few decades, it had received setbacks, and now this has been bought by private sector in Pakistan. Its privatization has been completely transparent. Every aspect of this privatization was shown live all over the world. So the entire nation saw for the first time how transparent this transaction has been. And there hasn't been even a squeak about its authenticity, I think, which is our hallmark. We are now moving forward in other areas of privatization, outsourcing of airports, privatization of our power sector, distribution companies, transmission lines, and so on and so forth. However, this is also correct that as a result of very stringent IMF program to which we have adhered to in letter and spirit, and that's why IMF is now these days, I would say very cautiously, using Pakistan's success story as a role model in third world countries. And now we have to move forward towards growth. I'm meeting IMF Managing Director after this interaction, and we will discuss very frankly our achievements, our structural reforms, privatization, those entities which were bleeding our economy, like, for example, utility stores, which would offer substandard goods to the common man, has been completely shut down. And this bleeding is over forever. Similarly, and this has saved billions of rupees to the exchequer. Similarly, PASCO, that's been closed, saving billions of rupees of Pakistan's poor people. Similarly, PWD has been closed. There have been challenges, pressures from vested interest in the form of protest, but we were absolutely unwavering in our commitment that if we did not do this, it will not be fair to ourselves and to the people of Pakistan. So, ladies and gentlemen, this procedure is moving very rapidly, and I think unless and until we stop this bleeding of our economy through these measures, challenging as they are, our economy will not be on sound footing, no matter what we do. So I think this is a result of collective efforts, and it may sound to you a bit odd, but I have to say with fullest force at my command that these achievements have been made through collective efforts, through teamwork, and that means that complete harmony between political hierarchy and military hierarchy. If we have to get rid of our mounting debts, both foreign and internal, if we have to alleviate poverty, unemployment, if we have to make our country prosperous and progressing by every moment, then there has to be a sense of understanding between various stakeholders, a sense of ownership, and a sense of purpose to move forward. Inshallah, Pakistan is at a cross point where it is about to take off in terms of its growth, because we are a country with 240 million people. We are a country with a youth bulge, which, as I said, is a great challenge as well as an opportunity. And we are absolutely committed to convert this into an opportunity by providing them all those tools and opportunities which will make our country great. We will meet challenges on the way. We'll have a bumpy road on the way. But as long we are committed to serve the country with untiring efforts and with our blood and sweat, I have no doubt that we'll see and meet our destination one day soon. Through untiring efforts, selfless sacrifices, and of course, through unity of thought and action. Thank you very much.